Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our presentation. I hope all of you are doing well and in good health. Our presentation will take about 15 minutes. If you don't mind, we'll leave questions till the end. And now I'm going to introduce the speakers of this presentation, Olufemi, Paola, Rambo, Resman, Martin, and myself, Andres. We're going to present our agenda. We're going to start with an introduction and we're going to cover all the things that we have to know about the knowledge management system called ServiceNow. We commit to the following academic integrity statement. And here is Resban. Resban, hi.
Thank you, Andre. I'm going to briefly explain about research about ServiceNow. Businesses need to use information technology regardless of whether they are large or small nowadays. This technology helps companies increase their productivity, protect their confidential information, and protect themselves from cyber attacks and even save money. ServiceNow is a cloud-based platform that has been exponential growth over the years. The company offers its service to any organization, and companies can use it to personalize the company's process as much as possible. ServiceNow prepares the company's infrastructure and organization in the training program before launching the platform. Next slide. Organization culture consists of shared norms, beliefs, and values of an organization that includes how employees interact with other and consumers and how to perform tasks. According to ServiceNow, the company's organizational culture is generally composed of principles, which leads to companies will not suffer when they work with ServiceNow. First, employees and individuals in this company must adhere to ethical principles. They must committed to being honest with each other and their customers. One of the essential parts of defined in the culture of ServiceNow is trying to provide the best customer service. Employees in the company are expected to work together to lead the customer satisfaction ultimately. And in the ServiceNow company, the cultural infrastructure for accepting differences is embedded. Employees must recognize these differences and work with an open and productive mind. An authentic culture connects these differences. Thank you. Here's Paula.
Thank you. So now I'm going to explain the KMS application. As we can see in the graph, it's divided into several levels of implementation that has within each of the sub-levels. It has a software in charge of transforming all the data that is accumulated with a company into the data that is important for decision making. It is the main function to collect the data in a central base that contextualize the such of the way that it's easy to understand. These data to be presented to any users and can have access to their own. This application helps to the company to optimize searching times and keep updated the data that they enter. Sometimes these same softwares offer updates of programs so that anyone can find what they are looking for. For example, some companies have such software for technical support for their websites and their programming to offer them. For these ways have been offered such a service that kind of find the answers that they are looking for. So they have to contact the technical support, but will the until to the last instance. The modern knowledge bases are mostly websites of the company with the internet that have external access. Some softwares allow to customize the design of the websites, such as the way that can be attractive for the customers and easy to manage. The main points that they could apply is that the KMS helps to create templates according to the needs of the company and optimize time so they can be successful for them. The second one, the technical control is in charge of keeping the platform afloat, that they don't have problems when they are implementing. And the third one, the operating system can apply with Windows, Apple, and Android, but unless when they have the last version of Chrome. So that could be the update of all the information and having the actual. So next, Andres is going to explain the next part. Thank you.
Thank you, Paula. Total parking solutions should provide platform users with workstations or mobile devices compatible with the latest version of Google Chrome to access all San Diego features, the latest ServiceNow release, and products because all its modules are consistent with this web browser. The Now platform from ServiceNow provides an application platform as a service that allows its subscribers to automate business processes, enclosing the entire business in a single pane of glass. In other words, it is a cloud-based computing model which provides all the computing capabilities necessary to capture, structure, reuse, and improve knowledge, not limited to a specific department or function. This scalable system offers a modern, easy to use service management solution in the cloud for organizations that want to automate repeatable processes, standardize service delivery, and focus on their core business. And related to cybersecurity requirements, the Now platform architecture considers all your application infrastructure requirements such as service availability, backups, and security that lets you focus on building, running, and managing great applications. The platform complies with the three fundamental pillars for developing security systems: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. It integrates the state-of-the-art modules to protect data. ServiceNow provides 4 weekly full backups of your data with 6 days of daily differential backups. It secures the cloud and your data using multiple technologies that have been certified compliant by third-party organizations. Data are encrypted in transit at rest, and the platform offers a mechanism to integrate client's Active Directory with a single sign-on services that comply with the SAML 2.0 standard. It also provides role-based access control to assign users to the appropriate group and roles. Multi-tenancy is another security feature that allows ServiceNow to separate data processes and administrative separation, including which users can see and access data. These controls can limit access to information by users who do not have the privilege to access it. It is, without a doubt, a fundamental tool to manage the entire platform user authentication and authorization process. And here is Martin.
Thanks, Andre. One of the biggest challenges of the implementation of KMS many companies facing is that the KMS cannot align with the business process completely from the beginning to the end. The selection of KMS need to consider the expansion and the development of the company. The implementation roadmap on the right um, of ServiceNow allows the companies design the system according to their needs and their vision, then activate the system and deploy it into practical service. After the implementation, ServiceNow provides recommendation and maintenance to its clients to ensure the platform still meets their needs. Moreover, ServiceNow also updates its platform at least once a year to make sure its platform is up to date. Overall, the ServiceNow platform is so versatile that the companies can always maintain agility through its multifunctional capabilities. Next, please. Customization is another key feature of ServiceNow. The picture on the upper right is the sample version of its service portal. The clients can design their portal with their unique brand elements, such as brand logo, theme, and pictures to create an exclusive service portal that illustrates brand culture. For the menu widget session, clients can configure the main menu for the navigation controls of the users. Only 4 simple steps are enough to create or alter the main menu. The security is also a critical part. Customization allows the clients administrate the access limitation for different roles. For example, the picture on the lower right shows the procedure administrating the role's accessibility to a specific document. The tree view shows that different roles within the organization can reach different contents in the same document, a procedure that ensures the security in the document accessibility. And Ram Olafemi, please.
All right, thanks. After talking about the technicality and the implementation of this KMS tool. Now we'll be looking at the customer's journey, the journey that the TPS, that the total packing solution have gone through so far. So some of the major problems they experienced are for data storage, running out of data space, duplicates and scattered data, too many folders and subfolders, search system, and poor user experience. However, the Now service has solutions, very simple solutions to address this, and this KMS tool helps you to address it. It has an end-to-end solution and much more to address some of these issues, ranging from the cloud encryption, which addresses the data protection, to the CMDB, the AI search. It helps you to look for almost anything you're looking for within the portal. The knowledge management helps you in forecasting. It helps you in making predictions. And the service portal gives you a very good user experience internally as the employees and externally as the customers. And now Rambo will be taking over from here.
So thanks, Femi. So I would like to talk about training and training plan. So by training, your workforce may benefit the firm and the personnel. The organization may increase efficiency by over 40% by educating its employees to become ServiceNow specialists. Also, approximately 70% of trainees believes that ServiceNow has helped them advance in their career. First, determine what workers require in their training session, then link those trainees and demand with the company's goal and objective. So we do have different positions that we can train employees of the company. So first of all is application specialist, that is about the skills and expertise in configuring, implementing, and maintaining ServiceNow performance. Next one is architect, that is about expertise in planning, designing, and administration. Developer, it's all about knowledge and skills to build ServiceNow programs that meet real-world challenges, and also system administrator is about setting up, installation, and servicing. So employees chosen for those positions might take a variety of virtual or in-person courses to pass them and meet the criteria. So by being ServiceNow certified, an individual gains a strong reputation and can enhance efficiency, and it has too many other benefits. And then now I would like to talk about costs of implementing ServiceNow. So these costs include software expenses for the company that decided to use our service. So these prices vary greatly based on the company's scale and present equipment. So for our service based on company's scale and demand, the cost is going to be about 40,000 Canadian dollar for a year. Also, we do have some other services and features such as a virtual agent or developer change base, so they can manage most of the tasks, and solutions for IT service management standard for business success. Also, pricing is flexible based on company's need. Hardware costs are another element that firms should consider when integrating innovating technology. Any modifications to systems such as computers, cell phones, as well as any maintenance costs required to support the system. Also, as a labor expense, the cost of engaging a representative of IT team to set up the knowledge management hardware and software on essential infrastructure and customer workstations are the requirements for implementing ServiceNow. So to conclude, ServiceNow can boost your decision-making process and reduce development time due to the market's demand for innovation and fast productivity delivery. So we believe that ServiceNow is the best option for now and the future for the company, and it can add value to the total parking solution company. So thank you all for your listening. We are open to any question and hope you have a great day.